Hey everybody! Welcome to this A1 English listening practice video. You can use this video to train your listening and comprehension skills as I speak. Ready? Let's get started. Today, I'm going to talk about language learning. If you're watching this video, you're probably learning English, so I hope this will be an interesting topic for you. Language learning is challenging, and to succeed, you need to spend a lot of time studying. This is the most important part of learning a language. Time. If you don't spend enough time studying, you won't learn English. Language learning takes time. I'm a language teacher, but I'm also a language learner. I learn languages because it's fun for me, and I love talking to people from other countries. That's the best part of learning another language. You get to talk to many people and make new friends. I've spoken with people from many different countries, and this has been the most enjoyable part of learning languages. But let me tell you, it's not always easy. Sometimes, I feel sad or frustrated when I can't understand someone. I also get nervous when I speak to people in another language. But that's okay. It's completely normal to feel this way when you're learning. I make mistakes too, big ones. I make mistakes with grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. But guess what? That's normal. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a new language. If you don't make mistakes, you won't improve. To improve, you need to 1. Make mistakes. 2. Talk. 3. Practice. 4. Have fun. So don't worry about your mistakes. Focus on enjoying the process. If you don't have fun, it becomes much harder to learn English. Now, here are some tips to make learning English more enjoyable. Tip number 1. Read books in English that interest you. Don't read boring books. Choose topics you enjoy. For example, if you like sports, read books about sports. If you like animals, read books about animals. If you like technology, read books about technology. I love fiction, so I read fiction books in other languages. This makes learning fun for me. Tip number 2. Watch videos in English that you find interesting. If you like fashion, watch YouTube videos about fashion in English. If you like cars, watch videos about cars in English. The key is to enjoy what you're watching. Tip number 3. Make friends who speak English or are learning English. I know it's not always easy to make friends, but it helps a lot. Look for English practice groups in your city. You can find these groups on websites like meetup.com. Practicing English with friends will boost your confidence and skills. Alright, that's it for today. Leave a comment and tell me, why are you learning English? I'll see you in the next video.